Guys, recent incident have reminded me just how much community matters, especially during moments of crisis. But first off, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who reached out to check on me after the earthquake in Bangkok. Your calls, messages, and of course support mean the world to me and my family. It was terrifying, no doubt about it, but we have been incredibly lucky. Our building thankfully stood strong with only minor damage, like many others in the area. Considering Bangkok isn't exactly known for earthquakes, I was amazed and relieved as how sturdy the construction was. And as fate would have it, my family was out for a morning stroll in the park, probably the safest place they could have been during such a disaster. While the whole experience shook me literally and emotionally, it also brought something important into focus. Being a digital nomad isn't just about traveling to amazing places and meeting incredible people. It's about learning how to navigate the highs and lows along the way. And trust me, some of those lows can test you in ways you never expected. Take last year, for example. Right around this time, I was in Dubai moderating a huge event with over 2,000 attendees. The day started pretty normally. Sure, there was rain, but nothing to make you think the city would be plunged into chaos by evening. But as the hours ticked by, that rain turned into hurricane-level storm and eventually flooding. Honestly, I barely recall those days, but I do remember the city was completely stuck. Streets, buildings, everything was flooded, and the entire transportation system was down. And the cherry on top, every vehicle driver got SMS from their bosses saying, "Don't work, otherwise fine." And you know all about how it goes. I vividly remember paying about $300 for a taxi that day. Can you believe that? An airplane ticket wouldn't have been cheaper. Whatever, all I can say is that I felt utterly alone and powerless against the disaster, knowing I had no choice but to figure everything on my own. Contrast that with my experience here in Bangkok during the earthquake, and the difference is like night and day. Yes, it was scary, and yes, there was destruction. But the sense of community and support here was nothing short of remarkable. Building administrators worked alongside police officers to evacuate everyone to safe shelters. They provided essentials: water, blankets, towels, first aid kits to those who need them. And afterwards, there were thorough building inspections to ensure the safety of residents, with contingency plans in place if repairs were needed. Through all of this, I never felt alone. There was this unspoken understanding that everyone was looking out for each other. And that's what I want to talk about: the importance of community. Disasters, whether they are natural or man made, are scary. But when you are surrounded by people who care, those experiences become so much easier to handle. That's why choosing the right community matters. Because at the end of the day, it's not just the breathtaking places you visit or the career milestones you hit that make life meaningful. It's the people who stand by you, who offer their support, and who remind you that you are not alone. And that, more than anything, is what makes a play feels like home.